If you want to ensure the success of your app, follow these 6 stages of app development to ensure the success of your business. Stage 1, Idea Generation and Conceptualization. Idea generation and conceptualization is when businesses should focus on identifying the problem their application will solve. If the idea is vague and not problem-oriented as per your target audience. Stage 2, Wireframing and Prototyping. Wireframing and prototyping help businesses create a blueprint for their application. It helps map out user flow and recognizes potential issues in the application design. Design and user interface. In this stage, prototype and wireframe are transformed into a visually appealing, intuitive, attractive, and user-friendly design. Development. The development where the application is functionally coded and developed. This stage comprises translating the design UI into actual software that the end users can use. Testing. The testing process involves identifying and fixing bugs, errors, and other issues in the application before it is launched for users. Launch and marketing. Through marketing, businesses promote their app, attract users and generate revenue. The development industry is booming as there is a spike in demand for mobile app development. Value Coders has a team of experts who can help you build error-free mobile applications. Schedule a free demo and explore the possibilities.